So I was gonna set up a tent out in the middle of the forest, but this is gonna be my new bed for tonight because I made friends with these guys, and this place is awesome. Hi, Claudia.
Hi, welcome to our office.
I'm not gonna say that you're gonna get this luxury, but
This is luxury.
Boom. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Pretty tired still, but I am so excited today. I'm gonna go rafting with these guys at Ace Ocoee Adventures. I'm never gonna get this name right. Ace Ocoee Adventures. So yesterday I was trying to get out of the storm that was in North Carolina. And I was in Cashiers. I had this fantastic pizza at Slabtown. If you go, definitely check out Slabtown, by the way. I took 64 all the way down to 74, and 74, it parallels the Ocoee River, which is this beautiful emerald green river that runs along the lower part of Tennessee. And I made friends with these park rangers that came up and talked to me. They asked me if I wanted to go motorcycle riding, so planning on doing that if there's no thunderstorms.
We're going to be doing a funyak trip, which is basically an inflatable kayak. So we still get to go over the strokes and concepts of running whitewater and kayak, but with a little more fun as far as floating on top of the water and maybe getting some flip action in.
By the way, we're doing a funyak today, not a kayak, because I'm a first timer and I don't know what I'm doing, and if I'm in a kayak it's probably going to fill up with water and it's going to be a lot of work, and I don't want to do that on my first day. I want to have fun.
We just get to have fun the whole day now.
We're going to see where like the point of moving water meets the point of still water. You kind of get these little whirlpools being formed.
And then I'm going to hitch that with my upper body pretty much frozen in place. You're able to choose your direction and then get... Vertical is what gets the boat going forward.
Yep, pull your skirt up. Perfect. Now get in there. It's tight. I'm about to become one with the boat.
Exactly.
Taking it all in. Whew. We just finished.
We made it.
We made it. That was absolutely the best time I've ever had in my life. But I'm tired now. I have 3 hours to drive back in this storm, but do it.
It was worth it.
It was worth it. That was incredible.